Hello everyone, this is Don's Meditations, and in this video I'm going to share how to make a lemon ginger, lemon ginger turmeric drink. And this is for anyone who's fighting a cold, have any mucus in their body, or if you have inflammation, like if you're sore, any joint inflammation in your knees, your elbows, your fingers, your wrists, any area like that. This can help relieve your inflammation and help with your cold symptoms, help you get better, because it detoxifies your body, this drink. So the items I'm going to use is these are key limes, turmeric, black pepper, and a new one probably nobody heard about is coconut vinegar. Coconut vinegar is really good, has a lot of vitamins and minerals, a lot of potassium that your body needs to help fight off any infection. And this is my bag of ginger that I have. And yeah, so this is, what I'm gonna do. And so I already got my water that I've made, and it's already hot. Pour it in there. There's my water. And we have the lemons. You just squeeze the lemons in there. And it's easy to do. Really easy. Squeeze the lemons in there. Lemon juice. There it is. So now, just put a little bit of turmeric. I don't take a lot. Let's see. I'll just put it that much in there. Alright. And then I also use the black pepper. So the black pepper is used to help with the turmeric. It helps absorb in the body. Help the turmeric gets into your body a lot better. So I'll put a little bit of pepper, and I'll add a little bit of coconut cider vinegar. Add a little boost to it, just a little bit. I don't need a lot. And with the ginger, add a little ginger to it. There it is. And that's it. Kind of mix it up. You can drink this water warm or cold or hot, however you want to use it. Uh-oh, made a mess. Anyway, so yeah, this is it. And this is how you make your lemon ginger tea with coconut cider and black pepper. Yeah, and you just drink it. It's best to do it in the morning. You can do it in the morning, afternoon, and before you go to bed. This drink right here. And it's really good for you. Help cleanse your body. And turmeric, it has so many benefits. Okay? Turmeric is anti-inflammatory, which, if you have any inflammation, pain in your body, it helps relieve that. Helps prevent prostate cancer. Helps prevent breast cancer. Also helps with Alzheimer's. Reduces arthritis symptoms. Detoxifies the liver. Reduces arthritis. Helps prevent stroke. Helps improves digestion. And of course, it boosts your immune system. So if you're fighting off a cold, like I said, it'll help boost your immune system. So it helps to fight off the bacteria and the cold virus that your body is, fighting. And it helps with cough. Yeah, it helps with gas and bloating. So if you have digestive issues, if you have a problem digesting any food, it'll help break down your food, with digestion and all that. So, yeah. So this is your lemon ginger turmeric drink. It's a good cold buster. It helps fight off any colds. I hope you like this video. Hope you like it. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I appreciate you watching. Thank you so very much. And leave a comment below if you have any tips on how you deal with any. What are your natural remedies for cold, flu symptoms, or what are your what do you do for inflammation? Any soreness in your body? What do you do? Yeah, leave a comment. Anything. Any good advice is helpful. So yeah. So thank you for watching again. Hope you're enjoying your day. And like always, peace, love, and positive vibrations.